I'm excited, girl. I'm just gonna spray it in the air. Okay, the girlies on TikTok rave about this product. Hey girl, welcome back. Sephora Savings Event is happening right now, and I got a haul for y'all. Very excited about this. A lot of this stuff was on my Sephora wish list, so I'm so excited to dig in. And I'm also excited to be partnering with Sephora in today's video to share the savings event with you guys. So if you're familiar with shopping the Sephora Savings Event, you know that they have 3 tiers to shop. So you have ROUGE, VIB, and Insider. Now y'all know I'm a ROUGE, which means I had first access to the savings events. So starting today, October 27th through November 6th, if you are ROUGE, you'll get 20% off. And then starting on October 31st through November 6th, if you're VIB, you'll get 15% off. And if you're an insider, you will get 10% off. Now I say this every year, just in case you're watching this and you haven't signed up, go ahead and sign up right now to become a beauty insider. So that way you can go ahead and get your 10% off as well. I will have a link down below in the description if you want to go ahead and sign up. And one more thing, girl, Sephora collection, girl, it's going to be 30% off during the savings event. Oh, to shop the savings event, you're going to want to use the code time to save, which I'll have right here on the screen and also in the description for you guys. And you can use it over and over and over and over and over. But yes, girl, let me know if you have any questions. I have all the information down below in the description if you want to check that out. But now let me just show you what I got. Like I said earlier, Sephora collection is going to be 30% off. So I wanted to give this a try. This is the Sephora collection Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. It says it's clinically proven for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I feel like my skin is a little sensitive. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, girl. Let me show you the bottle. Real cute, girl. So earlier this year, I got a sample of the Prada Paradoxe perfume and I liked it, but I didn't want to spend the money on it at that time. So we got it, girl. We finally got it. I got the 1 ounce. Yeah, 1 fluid ounce. But yeah, I got a sample of it. I was like, ooh, okay, this smells good. And I like the little bottle, y'all. Let me show you. I'm pretty sure a lot of you've seen it already. But here she is. She's cute. And they have a new one. I actually like this one more than the new one though. I'm just gonna spray it in the air. It smells so pretty. I love it. And then, okay, so y'all won't believe me when I tell you I have never tried the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Primer Powder. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. To this day, I have not tried this, and so many of you were telling me to try it out. Some people use it as a foundation. Some people just use it as a primer. And I got it to use as a foundation because I just like how it looks. Because I've seen people use it, and it just looks so good. So I got the shade 8.5. And I'm crossing my fingers that this is a good shade. A couple of you told me that this will be my perfect shade. So we are going to definitely use this in an upcoming get ready with me video. But it comes with a little spatula. And she didn't have 8.5 before. This is like a new shade. But I have a feeling this is going to look perfect. Like perfect. I'm excited, girl. So if you haven't heard me talk about the Fenty Skin Overnight Gel Cream, girl, this has become my absolute favorite night cream. So I went ahead and got the full size because I keep using the small one, which is why I keep repurchasing the small one. And plus the small one is cute and I can travel with it. But this is the little insert, well, the refill. And it comes with the actual container right here. So you just put it in on the bottom. Well, you take this out, put this in, and then put this on top. So that's what it looks like. Put the top on. And you just lift this up. You can use this to scoop it out. But yeah, you just take that out, scoop it out with the spatula. And it's just such a good night cream, y'all. Try it out. Speaking of night routines, I had to re-up on my Topicals eye patches. These things are bomb. So I like to use them at night or in the morning, either or. If I use them at night, I usually just put them on before I get in the shower. That's one thing I like to do, is put on either an eye patch or a sheet mask before getting in the shower. Girl, you gotta try it. You have to try it. But anyway, yeah, I had to re-up on these because I ran out, and these are some of my favorite brightening eye patches. And there's 6 in there, so you get 6 patches. Next, I got the K-Skin Pout Protection Duo. So I've tried the lip balm before, and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like the Summer Fridays lip balm. It smells very similar to the Summer Friday, but this one has SPF. Summer Fridays does not. And I don't even know what happened to my lip balm, but when I saw that this set came with the lip mask, I was like, this is perfect. I lost my lip balm. I might as well get it again and try the lip mask out. So I've never tried the lip mask. Let me know if you tried it. Is it good? If, you know, let us know in the comments. But I'm very excited, girl. I love lip products. Speaking of lip products, I think I got a couple more in the other bag, but I don't know what it is, but just lip products. I'm just a sucker for lip products, girl. Let's see this lip mask. Let's see what it's talking about. I'm not gonna put any on right now, but I want to see what it looks like because I haven't. Oh, okay, I've never seen it in person. Ooh, okay. This smells just like the lip balm. It has that vanilla sweet scent to it. Ooh. Ooh, I'm excited. It's called a Deep Water Nourishing Lip Mask. It has hibiscus and aloe stem cells in it. So I'm excited. And it's cute, you know, real cute. Okay, the girlies on TikTok rave about this product. This is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it lives up to the hype. So this is something I'll put on like right before my makeup. It has 2% niacinamide for brightening. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. It says shake well after cleansing and before moisturizer. Massage 2 to 3 pumps into skin. But yeah, I've seen the girls use this as like a primer. I don't know. I'm gonna try it both ways as like my skincare, like I'll incorporate it in my skincare routine, and I'll also try to use it before putting makeup on. But this is how it looks, and you're supposed to shake it up before using it. So that's how it looks like that. Okay. Let me know if you tried this. I know the girlies on TikTok will not shut up about it, so I am very excited about this. Okay, y'all, so I have had this fragrance in my cart so many times. Like every time Sephora has their savings event, I put it in my cart. And then you know how you do like the process of elimination? I usually take it out. So this time I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. And then I saw that they had a set. You have the travel size and, I mean, both of these are travel. Yeah, they're both travel size. But how cute is this? So it's a Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar. My favorite fragrance from Clean Reserve is Skin. Love it. I really wish that they had it in this as well, but they only had sparkling sugar in this little set. But this smells so pretty and sweet. It's not as fresh as Clean Reserve Skin, but it's a little sugary, but it's not too sugary. I don't know how to explain it. It's let me just give you the notes. Let me read the notes. Girl, it's not even on here. But on the front of the bottle, it says Fresh Gourmand. So just imagine something warm and sweet, but also fresh and clean and just, I don't know, airy, if that makes sense. And this will also make a good gift. You can put it in a stocking. The bottle, like their bottles are just so freaking cute. So yeah, I'm excited to finally have this. Finally have it in my possession because I keep taking it out my cart. And then, okay, I totally did not need this, but I saw the bag and I was like, oh, that's so cute. You know, I could just use it, keep it in my purse or something. I don't know. Put stuff in it. Look at this, y'all. But there's something in it. I didn't get it just for like this. I didn't just get the bag. So this is the Sephora collection. The Future Is Yours I don't know, but it has a dry brush in it, and it also has a massager in it. But I don't know. I don't know what I would keep in this, but this is just something I would like to keep in, like if I'm carrying a big tote bag or a big purse. Keep maybe like my mirror in here, lip products. It's just cute, right? Anyway, here's a dry brush. And then you have the massager. You just use this on your body. You know? Cute. Okay. The last bag, girl. The last bag. So y'all already know I had to re-up on one of my favorite cleansers, Skinfix AHA cleanser. One of my top 5 cleansers, y'all. I had to get this. I was stuck between getting this one or my Tata Harper. Y'all know I get that every year. Literally every year during the savings event. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get the Skinfix. I always say Skinfx. It's Skinfix. But yeah, this is the Acne Plus 2% BHA cleanser. And it just helps to clear your acne. It just helps keep the skin clear. All of that. Let me show you what the tube looks like. And I've gone through so many of these. So many, but it's so freaking worth it. Oh, Nudestix has, no, Nude Skin. Yeah, Nudestix. It's the Nudestix Nude Skin Hydropeptide Lip Butter. So this is another product that has been in and out of my cart, but it was the original one. And I saw that they came out with a set of 3 with new shades, new scents, and all of the good things. Okay, so we have Candy Kiss, Dolce Nude, and Sugar Plum. So I already opened these. I smelled it. And girl, Dolce Nude, girl, literally smells like a cupcake, like a caramel cupcake. It smells so good. Okay, so this is the Candy Kiss, Dolce Nude. I'm gonna put this on my lips because my lips are kind of getting a little dry, just a little bit. And then Sugar Plum. But girl, these smell so good and sweet. I didn't use it. I just opened it and smelled it, and y'all, oh my god, oh my god, you need to smell it. Just smell it through the screen. I'm gonna let you see the color. Just look at this color, y'all. Look at that color. It's like a caramel brown. Oh my god. Y'all, I want to eat this so bad. Oh my gosh. Look. Do you see? Oh my gosh, it smells good. I don't know if I like this more than Summer Fridays. I don't know, girl. The smell, because I recently got the Summer Fridays iced coffee lip balm, and it came in a set. You can't get it by itself, which I hate. So yeah, I got the set just to get the iced coffee one, and it smells so freaking good. But now I'm like smelling this, comparing it to iced coffee. This one smells a little better. This one is just more sweet, more sugary. Even though iced coffee is still really sweet and sugary, this one is just better. And the color. Girl, y'all know Fenty. Well, if you don't know, Fenty brought back the body butter, the cinnamon body butter, and I had to re-up. I just had to, girl. I already have 2 of these in my stash, so this is my 3rd one. And I just, y'all, because it's limited edition. I mean, it was only right for me to stock up on it. So yeah, this is the large size, and look, y'all, look, they have the minis. They have the minis. I'm so happy about this. And I was just saying not too long ago that I wish that they would come out with the minis with the limited edition ones, and they did. So this is the original body butter drop body butter. And then the cinnamon one. I'm so happy about this, y'all. So I can use this to travel. I can put this in my travel bag, girl, and keep it in my purse, you know. And then the vanilla one. Are they not cute? I'm excited to have these, y'all. So when I was in the store, I was like, ooh, should I put makeup in the cart too? Should I or should I not? And then I was like, you know, I'll be shopping the savings event more than once. So I'm gonna save the makeup for next time. But I did go ahead and get this because this was the last shade, like the last one in my shade on the shelf. This is the Kosas Brow Pop Nano, and I use the shade Dark Brown. This has become my absolute favorite brow product, you guys. It's very skinny. If you tried the Huda Beauty Brow Definer, that thing is very skinny and it breaks very, very easily. But this one is just as skinny as the Huda, but it doesn't break as easily as Huda. So this is how it looks. You have a spoolie on one side and then the product on the other. It's so skinny, so good. I love it. So I had to re-up on it. I wish they had more on the shelf. I would have just grabbed like 2 or 3 of them. But yeah, love it. And then the last thing I got was my favorite sunscreen, Belief Aqua Balm. Y'all know I rave about this. This one and the Peter Thomas Roth are my 2 favorite sunscreens from Sephora. So had to get me another one. I have this one right here, which is almost empty. And that is what she looks like. But yeah, that's all I got for the savings event this time around. Y'all know I'm gonna be back in the store, or actually no, I'm gonna go ahead and place an order online, which I haven't placed it yet. So go ahead and leave some of your recommendations down below in the comments. Like I said, I kind of want to get a little bit of makeup. So if there's any new makeup product out there that you think I would like, or anything that you want me to review on the channel, let me know. Leave it down below in the comments. But that is it, girl. Thank you so much for watching my Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If I shared anything in this haul that you guys have tried, what are your thoughts on the products? Let's talk about it down below in the comments. And don't forget to check out all the information I have down below in the description, so that way you will know when to shop the Sephora Savings Event. That is it. Thank you again to the team at Sephora for sponsoring today's video. If you enjoyed, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.